Welcome to Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. Here's a good example of a gorgeous 65 Pontiac GTO unrestored. It's been in the same family since 1966. Irish Mist, a color that only you had to work for General Motors in order to order this color for the GTO. The wires, the top, excuse me, that's a little issue there. That's very easy to fix. And got the stripe, which is very nice. Nice chrome bumpers. The backup lights, they work on reverse. Very nice driver. You know, you always take it to another level and restore the whole car. But if you want a driver every day, this is the one. Door panels, seats, carpet, dash, steering wheel, back seats, console, everything is gorgeous. No issues whatsoever. The lights light up inside, mirror lights, as you can tell. Here, the wire has a Chevy. I got the original cap for it. Here again, the best part. Very presentable engine compartment. Here you got a 389 V8 4-speed with the power steering. All the factory data plate right there. Everything the way it should be. Door panels, nice buckets, nice steering wheels, no issues. All the gauges work except for the clock. Original radio, here again, very nice dash.
There's no clock, but yeah.
Here's some.
All the gauges do work. He's mistaken by the tack, and it does work. The radio works.
It's got the remote for the outside mirror too. Pretty nice. Trunk, very presentable. I have we bought a new carpet, but we got the original mat, so you can see it. There's no rust issues whatsoever. The car cover, everything very nice. Take the top off. This is the best part. Turnkey car. I just saw one GTO that went through Barrett for 79 grand.